Hey, little Caleb here. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in touch. We're doing some fireworks.
Hey!
Hey, Marty, baby.
I'm recording.
Marty, don't get knocking down the fireworks.
I'm recording.
What you doing, baby girl?
Yeah, let her
huh?
out. I let Marley
It's
out.
weird. It's science stuff.
I'm recording. This is YouTube.
She doesn't like fireworks, so I don't know why she's out here.
Y'all can't really
She's
see
about to
what's
get
right
scared
here.
to death.
We're sitting on a box right here, but y'all can't see it.
Hey, show me.
It's right here, but you can't see it. There's
Mama,
four, but two didn't go.
Phone is in there by the microwave.
I'm recording, but my tablet's almost dead. You can't see a thing. Look at them. They're not gonna be able to see a thing. You already see it lighting though.
Should have waited for sister.
Yeah.
Look at Marley. She's gone like the wind.
They're gone. Y'all can't see anything. I'm really sorry about that. See if I can figure out about that. I'll see y'all later. Please subscribe and like.